Hey guys, Matt here. My girlfriend's birthday is around the corner, so let's buy her some sneakers. So after a couple of hours and many coffee breaks, I had to make a choice between these three pairs. The first one were these Air Force 107s that look very nice, with a textile upper and a plushy interior that will keep the feet warm during the winter. The second one were this pair of Air Force One's experimental Halloween. Halloween is just around the corner and this pair looks very nice and they are glowy in the dark. The drawings are also nice, but it seems like there's a layer of plastic with drawings on them. Anyway, I have decided for this pair of sneakers. They are Nike's Blazer Low Night Maroon. The material in the front is cut into pieces and there's a back thing that looks like a pull loop and it's interchangeable. It comes in two different colors. The box design looks very nice. They come with interchangeable laces and I like that they have a flat outsole and she can use them on the cruiser board, so that's perfect. Okay, let's buy them. Now, it will take these sneakers 4 to 6 working days to arrive here, but for you, it will be just seconds. That's the delivery guy. Thanks, man. Happy birthday!
Thank you.